I'm Mandy from Motorbike XXX Extreme Moto Products. Today we're going to give you a quick demo on how we clean our bikes with Motorbike XXX Show Bike Waterless. Motorbike XXX Show Bike will quickly clean your bike, leaving it with a just polished shine. Simply apply the product liberally onto each section and allow the professional grade product to lift away the grime. Using a clean microfiber towel, wipe away for an instant show bike finish. The product can be used on all exterior paint, chrome, wheels and metal. I use it for a quick spruce up before heading out on a Sunday ride with my mates.